Introducing the 8055 3-piece specialty blow-gun assortment from Innovative Products of America. The innovative and versatile 3-piece specialty blow-gun assortment includes the Airbender, Air Scraper, and BlowBack Gun model. Save time and solve everyday problems from cleaning head bolt holes, anchor bolt holes, manifolds, and gasket surfaces to removing grease or rust and blowing out channels, injector ports, and much more. These innovative tools are ideal in engine repair, machine shop, agriculture, construction, and general industrial applications. The 8056 Airbender is simple in concept but extremely versatile. It can reach hard to access areas with focused, high-pressure 90-degree angle output for blowing out channels, ports, or reaching around obstructions. Most importantly, it keeps the blowback away from your face and body. The 8057 Air Scraper features a stainless steel shaft with a hardened and sharpened stainless steel scraper tip that combines air pressure and scouring action. Easily remove and blow away stuck-on debris for faster cleaning than any other method. It speeds up the process when you're scraping gaskets, descaling rust, or removing hardened grease and much more. The 8058 BlowBack Gun features a high-quality anodized aluminum tube with 360-degree airflow at the sides around the tip. It's great for cleaning head bolt holes, manifolds, and much more. It dislodges and evacuates debris from the bottom of a bolt hole and out all of the threads. The 3-piece specialty blowgun assortment is the perfect addition to any shop environment. The Airbender, Air Scraper, and BlowBack blowguns are ideal for engine repair, machine shop, ag construction, and general industrial applications, and much more. Check with your local distributor for availability. Learn more about this and all of IPA's other innovative products at www.ipatools.com.